Hi guys, this is Priyanka Sharma and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today I'm gonna show you how to create this blue smoky eye look which I would like to call as ocean eyes. So if you want to see how I go from this to this, then please keep on watching. Before we proceed, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Your support means a lot to me and it helps the channel grow. With all that said, let's get started now. I am gonna start by applying this MAC strobe cream on the side of my face because I want my skin to look a little dewy. I am just applying this on the highest points of my cheeks. Next, I'm gonna start with this NARS Radiant Glow Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Punjab. This is a great foundation for people like me who have oily skin. I'm using this brush from PAC, which is 067. This foundation has a lightweight formula, but it also has a buildable coverage and it sets down to a matte finish, which makes this to be a very suitable foundation for oily skin. I'm just using this beauty blender from YBB Cosmetics to take out the excess product from my skin. Now that foundation is done, it looks pretty good to me. We are gonna move on to the concealer, and the one I'm using is from Maybelline in the shade Honey. I have pigmentation around my eyes and on my eyelids, so I want a concealer which has a little bit of peach undertone to it. And this shade has a peach undertone, so I'm gonna use this product. I'm just gonna take this on my brush. This brush is from pack number 074 and I'm gonna apply this under my eyes and on my eyelids. Make sure that you are applying your concealer here as well, because we do have a little bit of darkness here, and this area, we tend to forget to apply our product there. I'm just dabbing the product under my eyes because my under eyes are little dry, so I don't want to drag the product and make it look cakey. I'm gonna take my beauty blender again and just simply dab here so that it will take away the excess product if there is any. I'll have to set my concealer now or else it will start creasing. So I'm using this PAC high definition powder. It's a translucent powder. I'm taking little bit of product and dabbing the excess on my hand. This brush is from Wet n Wild, number is P20. Before we set our concealer, we'll have to make sure that there are no creases. So I'm taking this beauty blender and just doing a little dabbing motion here, and then without moving much, I'm gonna set my concealer with this powder. Make sure that you are not moving your eyes much, otherwise it will create natural creases under your eyes. I'm gonna skip applying powder on the side of my face because I want to maintain that glow which we have created using the MAC strobe cream. Now we are done with the foundation and concealer, so our face look pretty pale. We'll have to bring those dimension back. So I'm gonna place this bronzer starting from here. Usually people get confused where to apply a contour product, so it's very you have to follow a very simple technique. Like, you'll have a bone here, you can feel your bone, and you have to place your contour product right below that bone and stop where your eye ends. I am also gonna apply this bronzer on my forehead. and on my jawline. Moving on to the blush, I am gonna use this blush from K Beauty. The shade name is Dusty Rose, and I'm gonna use this pack 303 brush. Just pick up the product and dab the excess. These blushes are really pigmented, so always dab the excess and always start from the back, because if there is any excess product, it will not accumulate here. I like to apply my blush here as well. It makes the overall look very cohesive. So I'm gonna dab the excess again and just apply a little bit of blush here. If you feel that you have applied too much of blush, what you can do is you can always go back to your beauty blender and just simply dab it so that it will pick up the excess product from your face. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. If you want me to do a detailed video of how I do my eyebrows, then please let me know. Before moving on to the highlighter, I'm gonna set my face with this MAC Fix Plus. What this will do is it will take all the excess product if there is any on the face. Also, I have made a video on 9 ways to use your MAC Fix Plus. So if you want to check that video out, I'm gonna link that video right here. I'm gonna pick up my favorite highlighter from PAC Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use this tiny fan brush. Number is 278, and I'm gonna apply the highlighter on the highest points of my cheeks. I am also gonna apply highlighter on my forehead and on bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and little bit on a chin. You can also apply a little bit of highlighter on your brow bone. We are done with our complete face makeup. Now let's move on to the eyes, which I'm very excited about. I'm gonna use this pencil from In Color. The shade is Cobalt. I feel these products are highly underrated because the pencils glides on very smoothly and it's highly pigmented, like you can see in this video. I'm gonna apply this very close to my lash line. You don't have to be precise while applying this pencil because we are gonna anyway smudge this with a pencil brush. Like I told you that this pencil is very smooth. It also doesn't dry very quickly, which allows you enough time to blend. So I'm gonna pick up this pencil brush again from Wet n Wild. The number is P10. And I'm gonna start blending the upper part of the liner which we have created with this blue pencil. You can already see that we are creating a gradient effect using this technique. I'm gonna create a little wing as well. We are done with applying the pencil. However, it's a cream product and it's essential to set it with a powder one. So I'm using this palette from Mars Cosmetics, and I'm gonna pick up a product which is like really close to the eye pencil color, which will be this one. I'm using the same brush. You don't have to use another brush for this. Just simply dab the product wherever you have applied your eye pencil. Next, I'm gonna apply a light blue color on my eyelids, and for that I'm using this palette from Beauty Babe, and I'm gonna pick the product on a flat brush like this. This is from Pro Art and the number is AE21. I'm sorry guys for using different palettes for this look. However, the colorful palette which I have used earlier didn't had a color similar to what I was looking for, so I ended up using this one. We'll be using the same dabbing motion for this step. Now we want to add a little bit of sparkle in this eye look, so I'm gonna use this palette from Huda Beauty. It has some really great pigmented sparkly eyeshadow, so I'm gonna pick up this shade which is called Super Moon on my finger, and just apply it in the middle of my eyes. I'm gonna do the exact same process from my lower lash line as well. Just take the eye pencil and dot your product. Just take your eye pencil and start creating dots on your lower lash line. Take the same pencil brush and start smudging it. I'm gonna connect this to the little wing I have created. To apply the lighter blue color on the lower lash line, we need a tiny detail brush like this. This is from pack, the number is 383. I'm gonna take the product, dab the excess and smudge it with the dark blue color. This step is optional, but if you want a little bit of sparkle in your lower lash line as well, you can take the same product on your finger and just apply it in the middle, like I'm doing it in this video. To complete this eye look, we need a kajal pencil for our waterline. So I'm picking this from Chambord. This is my favorite pencil. Like you can see, I have used this much. The shade name is Blackest Black. I'm gonna finish off my look by applying mascara. However, before I do that, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. So a little technique which I have learned recently is, if you are curling your eyelashes, just make sure that you are closing your eyes or just looking down. This way your entire eyelash will fit in this. Whenever you are taking out your mascara, make sure that you are removing the excess here. And the technique which I follow for applying mascara is that I keep my hand like this and just rotate it. This way your mascara will be applied from the roots of your eyelashes and it will look fuller. I'm gonna skip putting on the false eyelashes this time because I don't want to hide all this artwork which we have done on our eyes. Moving on to the lips, we have kept our eyes bold, so I would like to keep my lips neutral for this look. So I am taking this pencil from Nykaa Cosmetics. The color is Chocolate Boy and I'm gonna overline my lips using this. Also, this lipstick has a dusty pink color which will look really cohesive with the dusty pink blush we have applied, and also it's gonna complement the blue eye makeup look. Using the Max Fix Plus again, I'm gonna set my makeup. So this is how you can create ocean eye look. I feel this kind of a look will complement people who have brown eyes. If you love this makeup tutorial, please like this video and drop a blue heart in the comment section below. I have also created a video where I have shared 6 ways to make your eyes look bigger with makeup, which you can see here. And I have also made a video on 9 ways to use your Max Fix Plus, which you can see here. See you in the next one. Bye.